Today, I want to teach you how to make a low budget swallow that is great for your blood sugar. This swallow is going to help you crash your blood sugar and prevent those spikes you normally experience after eating. So, I want to believe that a lot of us have watched similar videos on how to use cabbage to make swallow or fufu, but I'm bringing a twist to you today because if you have watched this video, you will discover that you usually need a binder to make sure that your fufu comes together, to make sure that it binds if you are making cabbage fufu. And most of the time, this binder that you need to apply to add to your cabbage is psyllium husk. But this psyllium husk is expensive, and I believe, or I know that it's not every Nigerian that can afford it. So in the spirit of affordability, I've brought to you the cheapest, most affordable ingredients that you can find in the local markets around you, from spice sellers, even in the supermarkets all around you, that you can add to this your cabbage to make sure that it binds together and forms fufu. I mean, this ingredient is very cheap and you have been sleeping on it. So you would want to watch this video to the end without skipping any part so that you don't miss that secret ingredients that I added to my swallow, the low budget ingredients that I added to my swallow. Okay, this is a video you want to reach a lot of Nigerians because it will save your pocket. So kindly like and share this particular moment. Okay, after blending it, you don't want to pour directly inside your pot like that. You have to make sure that you sieve it to this consistency, sieve it so that all the water gets removed. We don't want to have water in our cabbage. So after sieving it, can you see now that it's forming, like it even looks like gari here? So you want to extract all the water. Can you see all the water that we were able to extract? After extracting this liquid, then you go ahead to pour this inside your pot. Then you continue to stir. You stir continuously. But like I said, we need a binder. So here comes my binder. So in this container is my blend of flaxseed and chia seed. This is like a combination of my chia seed and flaxseed. So I grinded chia seed and flaxseed into powder and combined it together. So this is going to be our binder for today. It's very cheap, it's very affordable. So I first added a tablespoon, I first added a spoon, then I stirred, continued stirring my cabbage. Then when I discovered that it was not forming that consistency, yes, I added an extra spoon. So for this portion of cabbage now, I used 2 spoons of my flaxseed and chia seed powder mix. Then you continue to stir, add a little water so that it gets cooked. And after that, we have our cabbage fufu or our cabbage swallow. It's ready. So this is a high fiber food. It's a high fiber vegetable swallow that will not spike your blood sugar. Can you see the consistency of a swallow? So if you have been running away from making your cabbage fufu because you can't afford psyllium husk, now I have brought to you a solution.